Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 8.2 question number 6. Question number 6 is given that convert given percents to decimal fractions and also to fractions in simplest forms. Right? Let us find question number A. Question number A is 25%. 25%. First we'll convert it to decimal fractions. 25% means 25 by 100. 25 by 100. Right? And 25 by 100, if we change into decimal fraction, it will be, there are two zeros near 100, that means this point will shift towards left 2 decimal, 1, 2, that is 0 0.25, 0 0.25. And if we want to change into simplest form, you have to change it into simplest form. That is, if we cut it, that is 25 by 100. It is also is equal to, you can write 25 by 100, 5 by 100, that is 5 5 is 25, 5 2 is 10, it is 0, 5 1 is 5, 5 4 is 20, and simplest form is 1 by 4. This is the simplest form and this is the decimal fraction, right? Now question number B. Question number B is 150%, 150%. First we'll change into decimal fraction, that is 150 by 100. The point was here, you have to shift the point towards left 2 decimal, 1 2, that is 1.50, 1.50. Now we'll convert this into simplest form, that is 150 by 100. We'll change into simplest form. This 0 will cut, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, that it comes to 3 by 2. It comes to 3 by 2. 3 by 2, this is the simplest form. Here, this is the simplest form. Simplest form. Here also, 3 by 2 is the simplest form. This is the simplest form. This is the simplest form. Now question number C is 20%. Question number C is 20%. 20%. We change into decimal form, decimal fraction, that is 20 by 100. 20 by 100. It is divided by 100, therefore the point will shift towards left side 2 digit, 1 2, that is 0 0.20. 0 0.20. Now we'll change this into simplest form, that is 20 by 100. 20 by 100. This 0 will cut, 2 1 is 2, 2 5 is 10, that comes to 1 5 is equal to 1 by 5, and that is the simplest form. This is the simplest form. This is the simplest form. Now question number D. Question number D is here you see, that is 5%. 5%. That comes to, it change into decimal fraction, that is 5 by 100. 5 by 100, and that is equal to 0 0.05. 0.05. If you want to change into simplest form, that is, it is 5 by 100. 5 by 100, that is 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 0, that comes to 1 by 20. That comes to 1 by 20. 1 by 20. Right? This is the simplest form. simplest form. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.